everyone, I'm Addison and today everyone's a little bit peckish in the van, so I'm going to make banana, choc chip and date bread. So here's what you need: dates, coconut oil, milk, water, 2 eggs, 2 bananas, a bowl of choc chips, sugar, flour and cinnamon. First we're going to blitz the dates in our awesome Thermomix. We add all the other ingredients: the flour and cinnamon, sugar, milk, coconut, water, the 2 eggs, the bowl of choc chips, and lucky last, the 2 bananas. Now we're going to mix the ingredients together. Now, time to put it in the bowl. Now we're going to put this in the oven for about an hour at 180 degrees. We've all gone for a swim. Now it's time to get it out.
So it's looking delicious.
Yummy. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!